If you are on the quest to find the perfect D&D module for your family, for your friend's first time dive into the world of Dungeons & Dragons, then I cannot recommend Wild Beyond the Witchlight enough. This is the very first D&D adventure that is set primarily in the Feywild. If you are looking for something that is weird or whimsical along the lines of Alice in Wonderland, this is your ticket to a world that is brimming with enchantment, with whimsy, with wonder, quirkiness. Forget about that cliched image of hack and slash and dungeon crawls. Wild Beyond the Witchlight is a one-of-a-kind module that is focused on creativity and clever thinking. This adventure brings the strange and weird to the forefront. It is all about sparking imagination, and it also introduces some of the very best NPCs that I have ever seen. If you don't believe me, look at this guy. Now, this module is strikingly different from traditional hack and slash modules. Wild Beyond the Witchlight emphasizes role-playing and creative problem-solving over combat. There are no predetermined paths here. Every choice you make can influence the story, making every session a unique shared experience. What I love about it is that every encounter in this realm is an opportunity for fun and creativity. You don't need a sword when you can outwit the villain, when you can charm them, when you can unravel an age-old mystery. In Wild Beyond the Witchlight, the narrative and your imagination reigns supreme. If you're curious about the story, Wild Beyond the Witchlight sweeps you off on a magical journey through the Feywild. And if you don't know what that is, the Feywild is a vibrant and mysterious parallel plane, parallel to the material plane, that is teeming with fairies, with strange creatures, untamed magic. It's whimsical, but that whimsical allure also houses danger that belies that serene facade, making it a very thrilling experience for those of you who are willing to explore it and take on some of the darker paths that are hidden beneath. So the actual adventure itself begins at a traveling carnival that is brimming with enchanting attractions and captivating characters. The carnival is hosted by the very strange and enigmatic Mr. Witch and Mr. Light, and it is a feast for the senses. It completely sets the stage for the excitement that comes later in the story. As you delve deeper into the realm of the Feywild, you start to see the more captivating domains, specifically the domains of Hither, Thither, and Yon. Each of these domains is very intricately designed. All of the characters and NPCs that you would run into are already built into the story, and it is entirely designed to immerse players and create some of the most incredible role-playing situations that really require ingenuity, diplomacy, and teamwork from the party. You go from Hither to Thither and Yon, and at the heart of the Feywild, the adventure reaches its climax at the Crystal Palace, where you're going to actually have to confront some very dangerous foes in their own lair. I don't want to give any spoilers, but don't let the prospect of these formidable foes deter you. Wild Beyond the Witchlight encourages creative solutions and diplomacy. One of the beauties of the module is that its combat scenarios are not the end-all be-all. The actual module itself is designed to be able to beat it without any combat whatsoever. So you don't have to swing your sword. You don't have to worry about how accurately you can cast a spell or use your bow. It is more about how well you can negotiate, how well you can strategize, and how you can unite with the party. So while it's undeniably thrilling to step into the heart of the danger of the enemies that you're going to meet along the way, remember that Wild Beyond the Witchlight sort of thrives on that role-playing and creativity. So if you really are looking for something that is more family-friendly, more oriented towards newbies or towards introducing people into Dungeons & Dragons without being that traditional hack-and-slash, dungeon crawl combat type of game, then Wild Beyond the Witchlight is definitely the game for you. So I hope that this helps you understand whether or not Wild Beyond the Witchlight is the game you want to bring to your table. I can't recommend it enough. It is definitely one of my favorite modules that has come out from Wizards of the Coast. It comes with a beautiful map. The NPCs that are created in this are some of the weirdest and strangest. The module leaves so much room for role-playing, and that I think is what excited me the most about getting it. So if you can, get your hands on a copy. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave in the comments down below what you thought of Wild Beyond the Witchlight if you played it. Please don't spoil the story for anyone. Don't be that person. Thank you so much for watching. Forge on, my friends, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.